In this video, we will show you how to setting Brave browser for Android can playing the audio from YouTube even we close the application or even we lock the screen like this. How to do that? To do that, first you need to open the Brave browser on your Android smartphone, and after that you can choose settings by clicking this three dot menu on the right bottom. Okay, you can scroll down and choose settings here, and you can scroll down again and you can choose the media. After you choose media, click the media and make sure to enable background play here. It will allow the audio to play when you switch to another tab in Brave or another app or your device screen is off. Even our device is off, the audio can be played. For example, here I will play my YouTube. Okay, for example here, and then after we play this and we will try to close or to move to another application, it will still play, you can see. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to enable settings on Brave web browser can play audio even we close the application or move into another application, so that it's convenience we can hearing the audio when we browsing using another application. Hope this video helpful for you.